This is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN.Live, and we're at the LD Micro Invitational 2019 in Bel Air, California. With me right now is Zohar, Levy from Seedo. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is SEDO. Zohar, welcome to SNN.Live.
Great to see you.
Great to see you as well, and thank you for joining us. So, for our audience, let's start off with an overview of the company, and then we'll go from there.
Okay, so Seedo innovate autonomic growing system for the medical cannabis industry or for vegetables and herbs in commercial use and for home cultivators.
So let's get a history of the company. When did it start, and how did you develop to where you're currently at today?
Okay, so the company the technology start with my partners since 1999, and since 2012 we take this technology and innovate it to the medical cannabis industry. And since then until today, we develop a home cultivator that can give you a full solution, just plug and play. This means put the seed, close the door, and the algorithm manage all the process for you. Or there is a commercial unit in containers, 40 feet containers, that's modified with a lot of technology and knowledge, that's managed by an algorithm, AI algorithm, with an analyzed photo and learning machine that's manage all the process for you.
So tell me a little bit more about how the technology works. And, have you ever done any kind of sample tests where it's the similar quality as using your machine versus, the traditional ways of growing both herbs, spices, and medical cannabis?
Yeah, we made a lot of tests. We have a laboratory in Israel that we have a license from the government to grow medical cannabis, and also in vegetables and herbs. The technology, as I mentioned, starts since 1999. So we made many tests and upgrade to our system. Our system is working by a cloud that's manage all the process by a AI algorithm that's inside our system. There is cameras that scan the plants every few hours. The algorithm know to analyze the photo of the plants and see what is the condition and give him the right parameters every 4 hours. So there is no faults, no human intervention at all. All the process managed by the algorithm.
Not even like when you got to give it water and whatnot, or the whole system does it for you?
Yes, the whole system working by the algorithm. The algorithm get all the information from the sensors, exactly what is the water temperature, what is the temperature inside the container, what is the condition of the plant, and even if we got some problem in the process of the growing, to analyze it and give the plant the right solution for this. It's more nutrition and etc. etc.
So where are you currently at in the, I would say, the total addressable market, the current total addressable market? Not the future, what the size of the industry is, but, where you can actually sell the product to right now.
We already sell the home cultivator all over the world, in North America, Europe, Latin America, and the Middle East. We supply in the last few months a few hundred of machines that's already make a first cycle of growing in the customer house, and everybody very excited from the results.
How much does a machine cost, if you don't mind me asking?
Yeah, the machine costs $2,400 before logistics and local tax, and also there is some consumable parts that the customer need to use to grow. For let's say 4 cycles per year, you need to purchase consumables in like $300 per year, like air filter, water filter, nutritions, and a mattress to grow.
And what's your background? I mean, how did you come into all this?
My background is plastic industry. I was on 3 factories of plastic recycling industry in Israel, Turkey, and Congo, Africa, for the last 20 years. And then my friend contacted me that she have some new patent, a new innovation in this technology, and I see it's very interesting, and I start to invest in these companies.
So where can our audience go and find more information about Seedo?
In our website, Seedo.com, or of course on the OTC market, SEDO, on the OTCQB. We will welcome you to launch in.
My name is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN.Live, and we're at the LD Micro Invitational 2019 in Bel Air, California. With me again has been Zohar, Levy from Seedo, publicly traded company. The symbol is SEDO. Zohar, thank you for joining me.
Thank you very much for your time.